and welcome to my channel. I am Lucinda Marie and welcome to yet another Stitch Fix video. I am super excited to dig into these. I found out there's some Lily Pulitzer in here and I cannot wait to dig right in. Alright, so first off, let me tell you about the return label that we will be doing. Okay, so if you've never heard of Stitch Fix, it's this really cool like clothing subscription box that you can get. You can get it as little or as much as you want. And the awesome part about it is that if you don't want any of the things, you just send it back and it's easy peasy. So the great thing about this is that you get this handy dandy post office return thing, and you return it. The postage is already taken care of, so you don't have to worry about that at all. So that's always pretty handy. You don't have to worry about it. It's already taken care of. So the items that you do not want, you go online, you say the items you do want, you don't want, or if you do want any of the items. But if you don't want any of the items, then you will go onto your Stitch Fix account, tell them the items that you do not want, and then you will tell them the items you do want or whatever. Boy, that sounded really confusing, but hopefully you got my drift. Anyway, nonetheless, this is what you will return your clothes in, the ones that you do not want. All right, so the next thing is, I'm gonna read to you what my stylist has said to me. I love my stylist a lot because she pretty much has my style right on point. All right, and she says, "Your style delivered. Hi, Lucinda. Happy Fix Day." I don't know how Pennsylvania has been lately, but Texas has been so hot. So I am sending you all the warm weather pieces. I thought that we would kick off this fix with the Dear John roll cuff shorts. These are amazing and have a Lily Pulitzer feel to them. For all of you that don't know, I am a huge Lily fanatic. As you can see, I'm wearing a Lily top right now. Okay, anyway, these are amazing and have a Lily feel to them. They will pair perfectly with the white market and spruce V-neck knit top for a summer-worthy look. I did find a Lily Pulitzer swing dress. Ooh, is amazing. And you can't go wrong with navy and white. Add the final touch to this look with the white Mia sandals and you are ready to take on the day in style. These will also go well with the shorts outfit. Let me know what you think, please. Cheers, Kelsey, woohoo! All right, so I just think we just gotta dig right into them now. So here we go. Okay, here we are. All right, the shirt, I'm not really fond of white. However, the shirt does go pretty well with the shorts. The shirt is very lightweight. It's very good. However, you do want to wear a tank top underneath it because it is sort of see-through. But yeah, so there's a shirt. I really like it. I like how it's kind of like not even like a full sleeve. As you can see, the sleeves are very short. I don't think I'll be purchasing this one. I'm not really fond of white very much, but the shirt is actually pretty comfortable, so I do like it. Not sure if I like the white though. But yeah, and then the shorts, as you can see, the shorts are pretty cute. They're awesome. Yeah, they're really adorable. I do like the feel of them. They're not exactly like soft, but they're not like uncomfortable either. And I really do like the pattern. The pattern is really adorable. And it just has like some colors of teal and blue and like a purple color. So it's really, really adorable. Super cute for summer. And then as we will go down to the shoes, you will see they are some strappy white sandals. I'm not typically fond of white. They are kind of comfortable. Don't mind my toes. I haven't done my toenail polish today, so they look a little terrible, but that's okay. But yeah, so there's the strappy sandals. They are cute. The bigger strap actually has a little bit of texture to it. But yeah, so there you go. That's really cute. Not fond, like I said again, I'm not really fond of white. So I am thinking about purchasing them, but I'm not exactly sure yet. They are quite comfy though, I will say that much. All right, I think it's time to try on the next thing. Okay, so there you have it. This is the dress. The dress is actually really soft when you try it on. It is a bit form-fitting, so if you are not fond of form-fitting dresses, this dress wouldn't be for you. I do like the way it fits. I actually think it's pretty flattering on me. I do like the green. Not sure if I'm going to purchase it because I'm not really sure about this. I kind of have to think about if I really want it or not. But yeah, so this thing, I guess it kind of adds some character to it, but I'm not sure how I feel about it exactly. But the dress is pretty cute, and it's very, very soft, if I might add. Very cute, very adorable, except not sure about this detail right here. But yeah, that's it. Okay, and I do think that it's time to try on the very, very last dress, which I'm super excited about because it is Lily Pulitzer. And let's get at it. Ta-da! Alright, as you can see, Lily Pulitzer never disappoints. The dress is soft, and the print is called Oyster Bay Navy. It is super cute. It is navy blue. There is coral and lobsters that are throughout the print. It's really, really adorable. My favorite feature is the pockets. There's pockets, super adorable. You cannot go wrong with pockets. A girl always needs pockets in a dress, okay? And then I also want to show you, it does have a crisscross in the back, right here. There you go, the crisscross in the back. Add some cute detailing to that. And yeah, so there goes the dress. Alright, and there you have it. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a humongous big Stitch Fix thumbs up. Hit that bell notification so you can see every single time that I post. And subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.